A meeting of various NGOs and headmen of RBYF was recently held at UMSNING, where a discussion on the safety and security of the indigenous people of the state was discussed. The NGOs that were part of the discussion included the KHASI Students' Union KSU, the Federation of KHASI, JAINTIA and Garo people or the FKJGP, the HYNNYIEWTREP National Youth Council or HNYF, and the RBYF Youth Federation RBYF. The meeting discussed issues concerning the implementation of ILP, the CAB and the MRSSA. Briefing the media after the meeting, the president of the HNYF, Southern Bla, said that the state government has not responded well to the public demand for ILP to be implemented in Meghalaya, despite having passed the resolution to the same effect at the Legislative Assembly session in December 2019.
The meeting that was held today is follow-up to the other meeting that we have held pre-COVID situation, because the presence of the pandemic in the last 2 years has slowed us down regarding this pressure for the demand for the implementation of ILP, especially after 2019, when the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has passed a resolution for the implementation of the same. So the central government has not responded to this matter of concern so far. So, as NGOs since 2013, we keep pressuring the state government and the central government for the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. And at the same time, our pressure is towards the central state government of Meghalaya for the immediate implementation of the letter and spirits of the MRSSA, the Principal Act, and should keep the amendment part that the state of Meghalaya has proposed to the central government, should keep it aside and implement the Principal Act, because we feel that even if the MRSSA is implemented in its letter and spirit, to a certain extent it will check the influx and migration to the state of Meghalaya. But our main point of demand is the implementation of ILP, which is constitutionally possible since the central government has granted ILP to the state of Manipur, and we feel that should treat us in the same line. Where the political rumors, I would say, that are spread around that NDA government might grant us ILP before the election, we are not sure. That is a political rumor, I have said. But we as NGO, we are apolitical in this matter. We are not siding politics, we are not taking any political stance. Since it is a matter that we have to pursue, that we have pursued in 2013, and we will be continuing this movement till today also. And come election or no election, that is not our concern. We will pressure the matter, the subject matter, that is the implementation of ILP, in a neutral and as a kind of follow-up to what we have done in the previous years.
The HNYF president, in his message to the people of the state, reiterated the fact that since ILP is a subject of concern for all, the general public should pressure all political parties to include the demand for ILP as one of the programs to be incorporated in the party manifesto for the Legislative Assembly elections of 2023.
The message that I would like to send to the general public of the state, that about almost a year now, about a year now, we are going to have an election. So I think ILP is in the heart and mind of most of the voters who are the indigenous people of the state. I think pressure must be given to all political parties, be it regional or national parties, that they should, one of the program of the political party who are desirous to contest election, that they should incorporate the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya, and the voters also should judge political parties on that issue as a primary issue.